Behold your brethren! Brethren! Behold your master!
What could go wrong if we put God first, complementing with charity in all our endeavors and daily undertakings? There is a saying, heavy is the head who wears the crown. Or rather, heavy is the head who wears the black hat. Even heavier with a gavel on the right hand. Questions run through my mind. Am I ready? Am I up for the task/challenge? Am I ready for the criticisms? Well, there is only one way to find out. You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. Brethren, for the succeeding months, I will be exposed. You will know my strengths. You will know my capabilities. But also, you will know my weaknesses and shortcomings. Brethren of Carmen Valley Masonic Lodge number 250, it is my humble request to help me serve you and the lodge.
In our search for the truth in our Masonic journey and in our quest for Masonic knowledge and wisdom, we must all be men of action, not merely men of words.
It is with great joy to serve this lodge for this year, to make good memories, to have fun with you, and together to serve God. Let us enjoy this term. Enjoy our brotherhood, and let us involve more our better halves in our activities.
The elected and appointed officers of this lodge, Carmen Valley Masonic Lodge number 250, duly installed.